Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, February 2nd, and we have a little over an hour left to go in the trading day. And I thought I would make a video today to go over something new and exciting that's just started last week with Tesla and a few other equities. They've added additional expiration dates for the week. So typically with Tesla, it would have expiration dates, weekly expiration dates, which would be on Friday. So if you're a regular on my channel, you would see that I start off the week with Friday expiration dates every week, and then I work my way, towards Friday, which would be 0 days till expiration. Well, now they have Monday expiration, today's expiration date. They have a Wednesday expiration date, and they have a Friday expiration date. So that gives you more options. I think it's going to need a little while to work its way out with liquidity, but I think overall, I think it's going to be very healthy for the market. You're going to have tighter spreads. There's going to be more volume. You can see right here today. You're going to want. I was looking at it today, and I did trade today's expiration date along with Friday's expiration date too. But what I noticed today is you had to really be right on the money. So you can see Tesla's trading at 424. If I tried trading the 425 calls right now, you could see that it's in the pennies here. It's in the 70 cents. And even at the 422 and a half calls, which is still in the money here, that's even below $3. So, I went into $420 calls to get myself a premium of $4.50. And then you had some decent volume here. So you can see the volume here is pretty hefty volume between 80,000 here, 94,000. It started off the morning on the call side, and the same thing on the put side. You had some decent volume here on the put side too. We opened up down here, in the 415 range. You had 50,000 shares at the 415 strike price on the put side, and 71,000 shares at the 420 put side. And so there's some decent volume here. And then if we go down here to the Wednesday expiration dates. The volume was not great. You could still trade it, and the spreads are, about 10 cents, so not horrible spreads. So I think in time, I think it's going to be very good, very tighter spread. It's going to be tighter spreads, meaning, from your buy sell. So it's going to prevent you from having big slippage, and slippage means your spread from where you get in the market or get out of the market, right? So your spread is the difference between your bid and your offer. That's considered the slippage, right? So you'd like to have it a tight spread in order to, be able to get in and out of the market without giving up too much of your capital here, right? So that's on Wednesday, and then if of course, I started out on Friday here, and I gave myself a little space here. I was trading 435 calls in the morning here, and you could see the 435 calls. Let's see where these 435 calls were trading. They're trading at 350 right now, so not horrible, but you could see 8,000 shares compared to the 70,000 shares that were traded on today's expiration date. You could still trade it, and it was still fine. I mean, I don't trade that many shares. If I'm having a bad day and I'm trading throughout the day, I'll trade a couple thousand shares, but for the most part, you don't really need that many shares to be traded as long as it's liquid on both sides on the bid and offer when the market's moving to get in and out of your trades. So that is something interesting, that I thought I would share with everybody. And, we can actually look at the 5-minute opening range trade today. So down here, I do have today's expiration date, and you can see I have today's expiration date, and I've got the 430 puts up here. You can see that premium right now is trading in the $7 range, and it's expiring in about an hour. So that means if you do take this position here, if you have this position home, you are going to take a position home here. So if you buy a one lot here, it's buying 100 shares of the equity, right? So that's a video for another day. So I mean, if I lower this put price, this premium price, because it's expiring in about an hour. So if I lower it to 425, you see how it drops $5 on premium here, because right now it's 425. There's a chance this may expire out of the money, meaning if this rallies above 425, this premium, this put price will be worthless, right? So if you're buying a put, you want the market to be lower than your strike price, which is 425. So if I buy a one lot here, I want the market to close lower if I'm actually going to try to take a position on this and turn this option price into an equity position. So, but if you look at today's 5-minute opening range, we had a very, pretty big range here, 414.5 to 421.70. So you had a $7 range here. You did break out on the upside finally later on in the day. It tried to move its way down right on the first 5 minutes. You had about 3.1 million shares traded in the first 5 minutes. Very hefty. I thought for sure we were going to move down. We broke this Bollinger, and it was very hefty volume on the open here, but couldn't get that follow through after the first 5 minutes. And then later on in the day, I think at about 11:15, we broke the 421 level, and then we pushed our way up here to this midline regressional trend line at 427. So you could have gotten about $6 out of that move right there on the call side, and then we rejected this level, pretty hard on the way down here. So, but I'll go over more of that stuff tomorrow. But anyways, if you are new to this channel here, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell over there so you can get other future notification when I make other videos. I'll also go down in the description, and you can join the Discord community and join the live trading from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Take advantage of it. I think February is going to be the last month I'm going to be doing the live trading for free. I do offer some other services, but those are from additional mentoring services. But anyways, I just thought I'd make this video. Again, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that thumbs up button, like this video. If I don't see everybody in the trading room tomorrow morning, hopefully I'll see you in the morning for my pre-market live video. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.